Welcome to EKTV. Today, a moderate magnitude earthquake was occurred in Italy. The quake hits Italy today, 16 March 2022, 12 p.m. local time. US Geological Survey is the first agency to report this quake with magnitude 3.7, and German Research Center for Geosciences is the second agency also report this quake with same magnitude. The exact magnitude, epicenter and depth might be revised in next few hours or minutes. At the end, please like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel for more updates.